What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I'm getting very, very close to buying more JasmyCoin. I just saw a comment recently that was like, "Hey, make 1 million JasmyCoin your goal." And honestly, at the price that I bought it at, 1 million JasmyCoin would be about $5,000, which is not horrible. That's not the worst thing in the world. I feel like JasmyCoin can have a lot of value, and I don't think I'll get that many, but if we can set a goal maybe of seeing, maybe 500,000, something like that, then yes, if we can see it come back down to a lower price. Now, I'm a huge fan of investing or averaging down into your position rather than averaging up. And I want to get into JasmyCoin and talk about why I decide to wait for certain situations to invest in certain plays, and why that's actually the best option for a lot of people. So again, I'm probably going to be buying more JasmyCoin if this overall bearish market continues, but right now I'm still above my cost basis, so it kind of doesn't make sense at the moment. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. And I feel like you get a lot of value out of Patreon, a lot of value out of Discord, and you can have that second opinion, third opinion. You can have that group to be a part of, which maybe some of you are already a part of a group, but I feel like this group is going to be very beneficial to a lot of people. So again, I want to be able to build up that Discord again to a better level than what it was, and have more people that are energized to talk about cryptocurrency, stocks, investments in general, whether we want to get into real estate as well, it doesn't really matter, or collectibles. So yeah, definitely check out those links down below. But if we look at JasmyCoin right now, the market really hasn't been the most positive market. It's been kind of not saying sad, but it's definitely been on the bloody side, on the red side. We're seeing JasmyCoin down by 5% today. We're seeing the volume that's down by 21%. Still seeing $44.3 million in volume, so that's not really something that's crazy, a huge drop there. But you are seeing the price down to 0.0057. Now, when I bought, I end up buying my position at 0.0049. So I bought it at a way lower point than what it is right now. It's not like crazy to where it's like double the price or anything, but it is at a higher point than where I bought it. Now, would that make a difference in the long run? No, it won't make a difference in the long run, but it will make a difference in how I feel about it and how a lot of other people feel about it. I tend to invest into a position, like I said in the beginning of this video, I tend to invest into a position to where I find it at a low price and I believe in it at that price, right? I truly believe that it can grow at that price and I can gain so much with it. But if every time I see a price rise, I end up having a new goal for a position, it's not going to be good for me, right? Because I'm going to end up eventually hitting a level to where it's too high, and it does end up retracing, and now I'm at a disadvantage. I see it at a negative balance, or a negative gain, so it's a loss. And I don't want to see that happen, right? Right now I'm up a little bit, and I was up a lot more when it was at 0.007. But right now I'm still up. That's what the difference maker is. If I decide to raise my cost basis to say where it is right now at 0.0057, well, now I'm giving up all that room between 0.0057 and 0.0049, right? So the more room you have, the more comfortable you are with holding at all of these levels. So if you know it goes up and doubles in price, I have so much room in between and so much wiggle room, so much money to play with within that range, that I know I'm going to be positive for maybe months or years, depending on what happens with the crypto market. So I don't plan on raising my cost basis, but I do plan on buying more if the cost basis can lower, right? If it goes down to 0.0049, then absolutely I will buy more. Absolutely, I will find a way to transfer other coins into this coin, another project into this project, because I feel as though this project has a little bit more of a benefit in the long run for me, for other people. And that's just the way that I feel, right? That's my opinion. So either way, JasmyCoin looks good seeing how low it is dropping, but I will not be buying any until we see it drop more until it gets down to where my cost basis is. And if it doesn't, I'm still holding on to 206,000. If it does, then I may be holding on to 500,000 at that point. But when that time comes, you'll know, and I will let people know on Patreon, but nobody on YouTube will know for a while. But I will let people know on Patreon and Discord group about what I purchase and, you know, what I sold in order to get that, or if I just, you know, gathered money in order to buy that. But anyways, JasmyCoin, it's at a decently low price, and if you are looking to get into it compared to where it was right now, you have wiggle room from where it was at the peak point of this low level to where it is now, and you have wiggle room in between. So if you're looking to buy it, it wouldn't be a horrible time to buy it. It wouldn't be the absolute best time to buy it, but it wouldn't be a horrible time to buy it because you have seen a retracement. So that's the thing that matters. Now, if we go into my position again, I have 206. Let's scroll down here. I have 206,000 JasmyCoin at a value of $1,180.77. I again plan on buying more if we can see it at a certain level, but if we don't, I don't plan on doing that. Now, what do I see in JasmyCoin? I've explained that in plenty of videos on what I see in this position, how I know it's going to grow. And it's not about 100% that I know it's going to grow, but my feeling is like 90%, let's say 90%, because you always have that option to say, well, maybe this can't happen. Maybe something else happens, or people decide to not invest into the project. You never know what could happen. So there's always that chance. But I would say I have a good feeling that this is going to make a lot of people a ton of money and be a valuable project for the people that are holding it for the long term. So that's just my opinion. So anyways, guys, let me know what you think about JasmyCoin. Are you invested into it? Have you bought any more at these lows? Are you averaging up, or are you always just consistently buying? There's some people that do that. I don't do that. I've never done that. I try and average down as best as possible. And whenever it's skyrocketing, I don't make any moves. That's just my strategy. Other people can have different strategies that work for them. So guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. A couple of those links are for my Twitter and for my Patreon. If you guys want to join the Patreon, feel free to do that. We have a bunch of people that are over there that, you know, we have a bunch of different content, like 200 plus, you know, videos and pictures and, you know, buy alerts and sell alerts and stuff like that, which the sell alerts are time sensitive, so you probably don't need that. But I do have my Discord group if you guys want to go in here. I'm trying to figure out what we have here. So if we go into my Discord group, you're going to see I have a bunch of different stuff here. I have golf uploads, you know, you can get that. You can get my main uploads. You can get, you know, my NFA channel and all that stuff. And we'll continue to get more and more members. Right now we have 24 members, and I would like to have a lot more. But you know, people that really care about investing. So if you want to sign up for a Discord group, or sign up for Patreon and get the Discord in the process, feel free to do that. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will catch you guys in the next video. See ya.